Hi everyone, welcome to FullStack Edutech. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create a Spring Boot application and run. So we can create a Spring Boot application in several ways. In this video, I will explain in two ways. One is using Spring Initializer and another one is using Spring Toolsuit IDE. First, I will go with Spring Initializer. For that, go to the Google Chrome and search for Spring Initializer. The link is available at the top, so go to that first link. In this, it will ask for some details. Okay, first one is project. We are creating a Maven project, so select Maven and the language is Java, then Spring Boot version. Don't go for snapshot versions because snapshot means it is under development or trial, so go for the standard one, that is 3.3.1. okay. Then project details. Here group name, you can give the whatever you want. I am giving a sample and the artifact name is hello world. Okay, this is the project name. Then description, you can give the description whatever you want, and this is package name. So by default it will select group name and the project name as package name. The next one is packaging type. That means after creating a project and development, we have to deploy in a server. So at the time of deployment in server, which type you are going to deploy, jar or var? So now I am going with jar. Okay, then the Java version, I am going with Java 17. Okay, it will be available in downloads. Okay, after completion, open in downloads folder. So I am extracting it here only. Extract all. Okay, it is extracted. These are the files in the project. So after extracting, I'm copying this project and I'm creating one new folder on the desktop. Project 1. Okay, and I'm pasting my project here. Now we have to go to the Spring Toolsuit and browse for the folder we created. I created on desktop, so I'm searching for that project 1. Okay, after that we have to import the project what you are created. Okay, click on import projects and the type is Maven because we created a Maven project, right? So you have to select existing Maven projects because we are already created the project. So click on existing Maven projects, click on next and search for that project. So this is the folder. I am selecting this one. It will recognize the pom.xml file. Okay, then click on finish. Here it is importing. It is imported. Here is the project structure. Okay, first we will check the pom.xml file. This is by default from Spring Boot. Okay, here is the group ID which is given, com.sample, articraft is hello world and name is hello world, description. Okay, now we are going to run the application. The application run from hello world application.java. Here is the annotation Spring Boot application. So the application starts from here only. So in this I am going to print hello world. Hello world 1. your application is running. Okay. Right click here and click on run as Spring Boot app. See here, hello world 1, your application is running. Okay, now the application is running. So I will go to the next process. Okay, I'm closing this project. Now I'm going to create application using Spring Toolsuit IDE. For that, first go to the file, click on new, then Spring Starter project. Okay, here I'm giving name as hello world 2. Okay, in the type Maven and the packaging type is jar and Java version 17, language is Java. Okay, here group I am changing, like previous I am giving sample. Okay, here I am changing the package name hello world 2. Okay, click on next. In this, these are all the dependencies. Okay, currently we are not using this one because we are just creating a basic application and running. So click on finish. Here it is imported. Okay, check. Here is the project structure, like previous one, same will be available here also. Okay, I'm opening form.xml. Here is the group ID, articraft, version, name, okay, description. Okay, now I'm going to run this application. The application runs from here only. Okay, and the rate Spring Boot application, that means the application will start from here only. So now I am printing custom.out.println hello world 2 and your application is running. Okay, I'm going to print this one in console. Okay, now right click and run as Spring Boot app. Okay, check here, hello world 2, your application is running. Okay, in this way you can create a Spring Boot applications. Okay, in next video I will explain you CRUD application, how to get the data, insert the data, update the data and delete the data with the real-time examples. Okay. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.